To create a cinematic dreamy glow effect in CapCut for PC, import your video and drag it onto the timeline. Go to the Video Effects tab and search for Color Shadow. Select an effect and apply it to your video clip, adjusting the settings to your preference. Go back to Video Effects and search for Dreamy Glow. Select the effect and apply it to your video clip. Adjust the effect values, playing around with intensity, brightness, or other available parameters until you achieve your desired dreamy look.